The time has come. It's time to diversify. It's time to make some bread, some more bread. It's time to take another leap of faith through strategic planning to set up my family for generational wealth. It's time, guys. It's time.
Like a pro, yeah, I'm trading like a pro, like a pro, making profit like a pro, time to let them know, bank on the phone, no I don't need a loan, cause I'm trading like a pro. We getting paid, huh, stacking that money from the trades, huh, we getting paid, nah, stacking that money, I'ma teach you how to trade like a pro.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, representing Team Take Profits. Thank you for tuning in to another video. It's Friday, and I'm gonna fix you guys up real quick with a great opportunity. All right, the risk to reward is phenomenal. So let me set the story straight. I was laying on the couch, scrolling through my comments, answering some comments from my subscribers and everything in Instagram. By the way, follow me on Instagram. All right, I would love to talk to you guys. But I was laying on the couch, and a good friend of mine called me. He didn't call me, he texted me, right? And the text came as Coinbase IPO today. Surely there's money to be made. When I saw that text, it said Coinbase IPO today. This is how my man's text me. He first of all, he didn't say hi, he didn't say nothing. He said Coinbase IPO today. Surely there's money to be made here. I was like, what? Now look, I'm not familiar with stocks or anything like that. Like, I know a little bit, like very little bit. I built what I do and what I know is on forex. Okay, I've mastered that market and I'm still learning, but I made all my money through forex. This is stock. They say it's similar in technicals, but there's a lot of things that's different, right? So I'm like, Coinbase IPO, what is that? So I wasn't familiar with the IPO part. And he was like, oh, come on, man. So he hit me up and told me, yo, they just became public. When he said they just became public, I quickly ran over to Robinhood and looked it up. And I was like, there it is. There it is. They started at $250 a share. Now, they went up right away and then they kind of dropped. All right, but that's how it happened, man. And I'm like, yo, I'm about to do this. I took a stock. I bought 30 shares of Norwegian Cruise Line. All right, and I sold that and made money off of it. Not much, but I made a little bit. So I still had that money sitting in my Robinhood account. I'm about to put that money, maybe more, okay, maybe more, but I'm about to put that into Coinbase. All right, they just became live. And I think the risk to reward is great. We're gonna dive into this Robinhood account and see if we can buy this stock, man. Let me take you through it and what I'm looking at. All right, guys, so exciting to be able to log back into Robinhood. It's been a while ever since I made this $811. Not much at all. I would like to have, hundreds of thousands in here, just like it is in my forex account, but you have to grow small. This is a new thing for me. So how did I get $811? Let's go to my portfolio history. So let's scroll to the bottom. You can see a bonus stock. They gave me $5 for that. I deposited $500 from my business account, from my business bank account. So on April 30th, 2020, I bought 30 shares at $16.12. You can see it right here. And December 7th, 2020, I sold it. I sold the 30 shares and it went from $16 to $26. And so I basically ended with $794. Now I've accumulated interest, not much at all, but I've accumulated interest, and now my account, if you go to my portfolio, is at $811. Okay, $811.57. Now I want to put this to Coinbase, so let's go to Coinbase. Probably should have bought it when it was oversold, but what I was looking at was this. It's a trend line, right? I wanted price to find a bottom. Okay, so if you go from this low point, because this is where the market started, from this low point to this high point, draw a fib right here. So let's go over to trading view and see if we can find this on TradingView. I was looking at this area right here, this trend line break here, and I'm on a 15-minute chart now. And I wanted price to find the bottom, but let's go from this low point to this high point. Just like forex, you can see the golden zone. Price stopped at the golden zone. Just like in forex, it did the same thing here on this stock. So I'm about to go ahead and pull the trigger on this. I'm not trying to trade it. I'm not trying to day trade this. I'm trying to hold this for like a year, 2 years, whatever. You know, I'm going to keep up with the story. Whatever I invest in, I don't just let it sit and don't read up on it. I read up on all my investments. So I'm going to hold it for a while, read how it's going. If I need to close it out, I close it out. And if I decide to hold it, you know, based on the news, then I hold it. So I think the risk to reward is great because we already see like a bottom here. We see a big rejection here. I mean, we see that it got a base, and I'm thinking like to the upside, you know, get me some bread in my pocket, and we can call it a day. We'll see how it go. But let's go back to Robinhood. So I want to put some money into this right now. All right, guys. So I just deposited $1,000 extra. So now you can see $1,811. So because I want more shares. So we're going to go with 5 shares. Estimated cost is $1,693. Let's review this order. It's Friday, April 16th, 2021. I'm buying 5 shares at $338. And let's get it. So you can see here on the total cost is almost $1,700. That's fine. And we are in the game, baby. We are in the game. Let's go. Review order. Let's see. I think that's it. So there, it just processed my order. Can you see it on the screen here? Your market value is $1,694. Average cost $339. We in the game, baby. We in the game. So let me see. Let me go to my portfolio. Yep. So here we go. We in the game. 1,810, and we will see what happens, man. So now it leaves me with buying power now for $116. I mean, some people would say, why did you put all your eggs in one basket? Why didn't you diversify? I mean, it was only like what, $1,700. You know, it was only 18, whatever it was. $1,800 is not a big deal. You know what I mean? Like if I lose it, okay. I'm thinking about the upside. Think about the upside. Think about if Coinbase goes up to, you know, $80. What is that? 300 and something dollars a share right now. 338. You know, what if it goes to 100? You know, what if the share goes to 100? They value in this company huge. Like I think it was like 84 billion. They value in this. Now, you know, a lot of that can be, you know, padding numbers. But just think about Coinbase. Just think about Coinbase, period. I think that, you know, they're doing the crypto. That's where I personally get my money from. Think about this. Like, what if Coinbase never really, or I had problems with my deposits and they didn't give me my money and they always holding my money. Like, they have had issues like that in the past. I haven't heard of them since. And I withdraw my money from my forex account to Coinbase to my bank account all the time, every month, thousands of dollars. I'm going to invest in it. I see an upside to it, and I keep you guys updated. All right, keep you guys updated, and don't wait. If you guys, hopefully this is the first time. Like, I was late to Bitcoin. I was super late to Bitcoin. Don't even want to invest in it. And I would invest in it if it comes back down to 50,000. If it comes back down to 50, I will get in. I feel like that would be a nice dip to get in. Because right now it's hovering between 60 and 68,000 a coin. If it comes back down to 50,000, I'll put like $20,000 in there. And let it ride up to 100,000 or whatever it's going to do. But I think Coinbase will be good as well. So we'll see. We'll see. All right, team, comment below. Let me know, what would you do? What stock do you believe in right now that's in the beginning stage and that has a great upside? Comment below. We have a great community. A lot of people look through the comments for valuable information. Comment below what stock you think is going to explode soon. And then also let me know, do you think that this was a good choice to invest in this, stock? Let me know what you think. Why it's still early, why it's still young. And I read all the comments, so please comment below, guys. Follow me on Instagram because all throughout the month I'm gonna be looking at news. I'm gonna be looking at what's going on with Coinbase, and I will update you guys on my Instagram channels. And also, if you are in the market struggling to find trade setups, just do this one thing. This video right over here is gonna show you that one thing you need to do. And don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe. And let's make this money through Coinbase, baby. Peace.